This is a tutorial on LD editor that allows you to code and modify POUs using LD, that is ladder diagram, one of the IEC-compliant languages. Select Project menu. Select New Object submenu. To add a new empty program to the project, select New Program. Select LD language. Insert the name of the program, for example, LDPRG. Select a task you want to assign the program to. Each POU coded in LD consists of a sequence of networks. The upper and lower bounds of every network are fixed by two straight lines, while each network is delimited on the left by a label containing the network number. On each LD network, the right and the left power rail are represented, according to the LD language indication. By default, a new network contains a contact and a coil. The elements, that are not yet assigned to a variable, are represented with a question mark. To insert a new variable, click the Insert Record button. Enter the name of the variable. To assign a variable to a contact, apply one of the following options. Select the contact, activate the pop-up menu with right mouse click, then select Properties. Double-click on the contact. Select the contact and then press the Enter key. Drag a Boolean variable to the desired place. Over an object, a new contact will be created. Option 1, select Contact and right-click. Select the Properties menu item. Click the button to open the Object Browser window. Select the variable named A. Option 2, double-click on the contact. Option 3, select and press Enter key. Enter the name of the variable. Drag and drop the variable B. A new contact has been created in Siri. To assign a variable to a coil, apply one of the following options. Select the coil, activate the pop-up menu with right mouse click, then select Properties. Drag a Boolean variable to the desired place. Over a coil, a new coil will be created. Select the coil and then press the Enter key. Double-click on the coil. Select the coil. Option 1, right-click. Select the Properties menu item. Option 2, drag and drop the variable Y. A new coil has been created. Option 3, select and press Enter key. Option 4, double-click. The LD editor has functions common to most graphic Windows applications: selection of a block, selection of a set of adjacent contacts by pressing Ctrl+ click on each contact to select, cut, copy, paste operations of a network or of a single block or of a set of blocks, drag and drop of the selected object or group, to move it inside or outside the current network. The main power line can be branched to create sub-networks that can be further branched themselves. Select the contact. click the New Branch button. The start of the new branch is marked as a big dot on the source line. Deleting all objects on a branch deletes the branch itself. For parallel insertions, several contacts can be selected before performing the insertion. The new contact will be inserted above or below the group of selected contacts. Select a contact. Ctrl+click to select more contacts. Click the Parallel Contact After button. For insert a serial contact after the parallel contact, select the connection point. Click the Serial Contact After button. To move an object or a group of objects inside the network, select it and drag and drop it to the desired position. Ctrl+click. Ctrl+click. The objects are moved after the C contact. To add a new blank network, click Scheme Network New and choose the position where you want to insert the network, top, bottom, before, after. Click the Insert Bottom button. To insert blocks on the network, apply one of the following options. Select a contact, connection or block, then click Scheme Object New Block, which causes a dialog box to appear listing all the objects of the project, then choose one item from the list. Drag the selected object from the Workspace window, the Libraries window or the Local Variables editor, over the desired connection. To insert an operator on the network, select it, for example add, and drag the object over the desired connection. Select the type cell. Click the button. Select an appropriate variable type to use with the add block. You can enter directly the variable type in the edit cell. Select the add operator and drag it over the network. To assign a variable to a pin of the block, double-click the variable. Enter the variable name or choose it from the object browser. To use an expression or another different element within a block, you have to delete the variable linked to the pin. Press Delete key. Select the pin. Click the expression button. Enter the expression code. When you use a function block, you need to define an instance name for it. The instance is a particular occurrence of a function block. To insert a function block on the network, Select it, for example ton, and drag it over the connection. Select the library that contains the desired block. Select ton and drag it. Enter the instance name, for example timer1, and press OK. Select the input pin. Click the constant button. Double-click the new constant object. You can specify the constant format, for example decimal, and its value. To connect a variable to an output pin, select it. Click the variable button. Double-click the output variable. The timer1 block has one bool input and one bool output, so, by default, it does not have the ENNO pins. To add ENNO pins, select the block. Click the ENNO button. To remove the pins, click again the ENNO button. You can perform the following operations on networks: add a new blank network, top, bottom, before or after the selected one. Copy, paste and cut operations. Delete a network. To copy a network, select it by clicking on its label. Click the copy button. Click the paste button. To delete the network, select it. Press delete key.